Good afternoon, sir. We are here from Mashada Ulitsu Satanang Street for Bhilai. Myself is Rudra Pratap Tiwari. And we are here to show many types of working models like Locomotive WDV4. Locomotive WDV4 stands for Wide Diesel Passenger 4000 horsepower. This is very powerful horsepower engine which then pulls both wagons, like passenger and goods. As you can see, the wagons are specified for only passenger and only for goods, but it can do both type of works at one time. The circuit is very simple. As you can see, here are the circuit and here is also switches of light, and this is the switch for the cooler fan. It tools of the hot engine which that hot and pressurize the hot engine when that starts. And as you can see, the circuit is so simple, but the model is so heavy, but it is very low cost made, like sandboard and many stationary items are used. And as you can see that we had come here, so we have got many expression from other schools, and Kalinga University has given a chance to learn these all things. We have learned from here many times of experience of science education, experience of confidence and adaptability. So I will like to thank the Kalinga University to give us a chance for this.